Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are well and studying also well. Now, today in maths, we will learn a new chapter. This is completely new for you because this chapter in the class 1 you have not learned. Here in the second standard you will learn first time. So, what is that? I can show you in your book. That is chapter number 16, fraction. Fraction is written. Now, if I ask you that what is the meaning of fraction, you are not able to say. So, let me show you something which will give you a simple idea about fraction. This you are doing always, every time. While making any craft work, you are doing this. So, I am showing you one page. You can see. This is a page, you can see, simple page. Now if I ask you how many pages are there, you will say simply one. Now, if I fold this page like this way, I have folded it like this way. Now it becomes smaller, but what happened to the page? First it was one page, now I make it into half by folding. Now if I ask you that open and tell me how many parts you can see here, you will say in this page I can see two parts. This is, you can see this impression half. So this is one part, this is one part, isn't it? Now again I am folding it this way, again I am folding it equally. Okay? Now open it and see how many parts are there. You can see here anytime where from this part also. So now 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. This is called fraction. If you take the part, one part, if I tear one part, this makes, how many parts are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4. First it was one page, then I have folded it, so it becomes two parts. This is one part, top one, this is bottom part. Then again I have folded this one and open. Now you can see here how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts, isn't it? So now it becomes 4 parts. This means one page is divided first into 2 parts. And second time it is divided into 4 parts. Now, if I tell you, tear one part out of these 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, or color one part, what you will do? You will color this part, any one part, either this part, or this part, or this part, or this part. Any part you can color. Color one part only out of 4. That means I will write it in the form of 1/2 or 1/4. Sorry, 1/4. Because in this page, how many parts we are observing? 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I tell you that color only one part, so what you will do? You will color either this part and then you will write 1/4. This is the terms of fraction, 1/4. This by we can tell as slash also. So this is the main concept of fraction that we will learn through activity, through exercise we will learn this. But before going to the chapter, I have shown you through activity, simple activity with a page I will show you. I have shown you that what is the main concept of fraction. Fraction means part of a whole. Suppose in your house one apple is there. Now your mother make a cut of 4 parts, equal parts of that apple, and you are 4 person at home. Now each one will get one part. Apples are divided into 4 parts. Your father has taken one part, your mother has taken one part, your brother has taken one part, you have taken one part. So 4 parts equally divided. Now if I ask you how many parts your father has eaten, fraction, in the terms of fraction, you will say 1 upon 4 or 1 by 4. If I ask you how many parts your mother has eaten, same 1 by 4. If I ask you, both you and your brother, how many parts of the apple have eaten, then what you will say? You have taken 1, your brother has taken 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Out of 4 parts, how many parts your brother and you have consumed? 2 parts. Then how you will write the fraction? 2 by 4. Isn't it? Simple example I am giving so that you can understand that what is the fraction, how it is written, what is the meaning of the fraction, what do we call the upper part and lower part, that we will learn here. Now main concept you have learned, one poem is also there, that also we will do while starting the chapter. But before that, what is fraction? I have written on the board. Let's understand what is the meaning of that and how the fraction we are representing, what do we call the upper part and lower part, and what is the definition, proper definition of a fraction. Okay, so let's start. Chapter number 16, fraction. Fraction means a part of a whole. Just now I have shown you, this is a whole paper, one complete whole paper. If I fold it into half, this is then I am making it into 2 parts. First upper part, lower part, 2 parts. If I am folding it again, then I am making this paper as 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So this is, if I take or tear or color one part, that is the part of a whole. Part of a whole. One part of a whole. One part out of 4. That is the fraction. This is the meaning of a part of a whole. Okay? So, what you can say? A fraction simply tells us how many parts of a whole we have. Like same example, in this paper I have made 4 parts, isn't it? How many parts we have made? All parts should be equal, not small, one is smaller, other is bigger, not like that. All parts should be equal like division, isn't it? We can recognize a fraction by the slash. What is slash? 1 by, we are saying 1 by 2, 1 by 4. This by is, we can tell this by as slash. I will show you here what is slash. That is written between the number. Suppose I have written here, suppose I am showing you here, I am written here 1 by 4. So this is the top part or upper part. 1 is the upper one, 4 is the bottom one, and below one line you can see this is called slash. This is called slash. This I will see below, but I have shown you here what is the meaning of slash. So we have a top number, the numerator, and the bottom number, the denominator. Okay. So once again I am reading this so that you can understand. A fraction simply tells us how many parts of a whole we have, that you can understand. We can recognize a fraction by the slash. That is written between the numbers. 2 numbers, just I have shown you 1 by 4. Between 2 numbers, if I draw one line, that is called slash. Okay? We have a top number 1 by 4. Top number is 1. That is the numerator, and the bottom number, that is 4. A bottom number, that is called denominator. Okay, so with an example I have shown you. Example I have given 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Here top one is 1. This is called numerator. Between 1 slash, this is called slash, and the bottom one, it is called denominator. So I can write like this way also, or this way also. Any way you can write. So this is numerator, this is slash, and this is denominator. Clear? So this way we are representing fraction of any objects, okay, with the help of numbers. So this is the concept of fraction, which through paper I have shown you. By giving example of apples I have shown, means tells you, explain you, and the sentence form, which is called numerator, which is called denominator, which is called slash, I have shown you. So hope you have understand this, the concept of fraction. Now we will go to the book. One poem is there related to that. That also we will recite, and then with some activities, exercise, we will learn this one. But the rough work should be removed from here so that it should look clear. Watch the video so that you can understand, because it is a completely new thing for you, and try to understand. Okay.